What if I told you that for just $10 a month, you can now access a cloud computer that doesn't just run software, it builds it, fixes it, and even launches it online while you sleep. No coding team, no setup stress, no technical skills, just one simple idea, and AI turns it into a live working product. And in this video, I'll show you how this system is already building full apps, games, and SaaS tools in minutes. For years, building software was never easy. You needed developers, servers, DevOps engineers, and endless setup time just to launch one simple idea. Most ideas never made it to the real world, not because they were bad, but because the system was too complex. That world is now changing faster than most people realize. Today, a new type of cloud system is emerging, a system where AI doesn't just help you code, it actually builds complete software products for you. Web apps, APIs, games, dashboards, all generated from a simple instruction. Instead of writing thousands of lines of code manually, you just describe what you want, and the system handles the rest: planning, coding, debugging, and deployment. This is not theory anymore. It's already happening. Modern AI cloud platforms now combine powerful models with always-on servers. These systems can understand your goal, break it into steps, and start building like a real engineering team. But here's the real shift. The value is no longer in writing code. The value is in knowing what to build. Think about it. In the old world, developers spent most of their time setting up environments, fixing errors, and managing infrastructure. Now AI can automate a large part of that process. It can generate back-end systems, design front ends, connect databases, and even deploy the final product to a live URL. So, instead of starting from zero every time, you start with a working foundation. From there, you refine, improve, and scale. And this completely changes who can build software. You no longer need to be a senior engineer to create digital products. A student, freelancer, or solo creator can now build tools that once required entire teams. This is where the real opportunity begins. Because when creation becomes easy, competition increases, but so does opportunity. One of the biggest shifts is the rise of AI-powered cloud computers. These are not normal servers. They combine high-performance computing with multiple advanced AI models working together. Their job is simple: turn ideas into working systems with minimal human effort. You give a prompt like, "Build me a website that sells digital products." Create a task manager app with login system. Make a simple 3D browser game. And instead of just giving suggestions, the AI actually builds the structure, writes the code, tests it, and prepares it for launch. Another important shift is speed. What used to take weeks or months can now be prototyped in hours. That means the distance between an idea and a real product is collapsing. But this doesn't remove humans from the process. It changes their role. Humans are no longer just builders. They become directors of the system. They decide what to build, what to improve, and what to scale. AI handles execution. Humans handle direction. And this combination is extremely powerful because it removes one of the biggest barriers in tech: technical complexity. Now, the only real limitation is imagination and clarity of thinking. We are entering a phase where software creation becomes accessible to almost everyone, not just engineers, but creators, entrepreneurs, and problem solvers. And just like the internet and smartphones, early adopters will benefit the most. Because once this becomes mainstream, the advantage will shift from access to speed of execution. The question is no longer, can you build software? The real question is, how fast can you turn your ideas into reality? Because in this new AI era, the people who move early will not just build products, they will build entire systems, businesses, and opportunities on top of them. And that is the real revolution happening right now. If you want to stay ahead of AI, automation, and future tech, consider subscribing, because this space is moving fast, and this is only the beginning.